In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a birthday poster in Canva in just 5 minutes. Creating a custom birthday poster can add a unique touch to any celebration. And with Canva's user-friendly platform, it's a breeze. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva. For those who aren't familiar, Canva is an online design tool that's accessible right in your web browser, or you can download the app on your mobile device. Simply head over to the Canva website or open the app. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account. You'll need this to start designing. Once you've logged in, it's time to create a new design. On the homepage, look for the option to create a design, and from the drop-down menu, choose Poster. This will give you the perfect dimensions for a birthday poster, ensuring it's ready for print or digital sharing. The blank canvas will appear, waiting for your creative touch. Now think about the recipient of the poster. Is it for a kid's party, an adult celebration, or maybe a themed event? Deciding on the kind of event you're creating for will guide your design choices, including colors, fonts, and overall style. Keep in mind the personality of the birthday person and any theme they might love. This makes the poster truly special. With the event type in mind, it's time to add text. Select the text tool from the sidebar and introduce your main text. This could be the name of the birthday person, or perhaps a catchy phrase or title for the event. When choosing fonts, consider selecting something bold and eye-catching, yet legible. Canva offers a plethora of font options to match any style or vibe. Next, be sure to include key details. This means adding essential information like the date, time, and location of the party. It's also helpful to note if there are any special instructions or RSVP details in case your guests need to know, for example, if it's a surprise party or a costume affair. To make it more personal, upload a photo of the birthday person. You can do this by clicking on the Uploads tab in the sidebar and selecting an image from your device. Place the photo prominently within the design where it feels right and balanced, whether that's centered or creatively incorporated into the theme. You'll want to capture the celebratory spirit, so head over to the Elements tab. Here you can add birthday-related graphics like balloons, cakes, or banners. These elements can enhance the overall look and tie the design together. Don't be afraid to explore Canva's vast library. There's so much to choose from. Finally, when your design feels complete and you're happy with it, go ahead and click Share. From there, select Download and choose your preferred format, either PNG for printing purposes or MP4 if you're planning to add some animation and share it digitally. And there you have it, a creative and personalized birthday poster, all designed in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.